How to change system language on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change system language on Android phone. First then open settings and then just scroll down until you find system and updates, click on it and then just click language and then language and region, and here you will find it, or you can just type here language, and here you will find the language and region. Click on it and here you will find the languages. Just you can add any language you want and then just select it, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to change system language on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.